Over their 6 straight titles, no year has been more challenging for the Bismarck Blizzard than this one. The pandemic putting a pause on team bonding between girls from multiple schools. But it's a change in a team identity that has them primed for lucky number 7. Sitting in 3rd in the state rankings, the Blizzard know there's tough competition this season.
We've had to learn how to play in some closer games, some 2-1 games, some 4-3 games. We've had to learn how to be a little bit more disciplined because our penalty kill hasn't been outstanding. Our power play hasn't been outstanding, so we've had to find some creative ways to come out with some wins.
A program known for their goal scorers has had to adjust towards a more defensive game, locking down teams in their own zone.
Defense comes first. You got to block shots. You got to protect your goalie so you can go and play offense. And I feel like that kind of clicked in a lot of people's heads. And then now they've started to realize oh, I got to play defense so that I can go and get scoring opportunities.
Some players have had to change positions throughout the season, finding the right combinations that can lead them to Grand Forks.
We might not have that one go-to player, that one go-to line that other teams can focus on and just try to shut down. And so it has been nice to see some of these kids step up and still be contributors.
When we do have those tougher teams that we play, we really like to focus on, in practice, bringing our full effort.
Less than 3 weeks remain in the season. It's just finding those goals that'll put Bismarck back on top.
Really right now we're looking at the fact is if we don't get scored on, we can't lose games. But yeah, we need to find some people that can put the puck in the net and, big game situations. Hopefully have some kids step up to those moments.
Taking a look at the games remaining for the Blizzard, just 4 left before the state tournament, including a chance to move up to 2nd against Fargo Davies next Saturday.